In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A21s, and let me show you how to reset all the settings on the following device. So first of all, just open list of all applications, go to the settings, find and select General Management, and here go to Reset. And if you would like to remove all the settings and restore their defaults, just click on Reset Settings. And as you can see, this operation will reset all the settings on your phone except security settings, language settings, accounts, personal data, and settings for downloaded apps. And if you truly want to do it, just mark Reset. And now you have to wait until it's done. It may take a couple of seconds. And that's it. As you can see, settings have been reset, and now you can set everything from scratch. So I will start with the brightness. As you can see, it has been decreased, and then you can use all the features and change it. So that would be all. So you can reset settings in your Samsung. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.